in the place of desolation, I see a colorful gate, always there inviting me. Within the linen that surrounds the court, it is here I'm near the righteous port. Moving closer, I encounter the altar, a wonderful place for all who falter. Here the blameless sacrifice ascends, joy in the acceptance of God who descends. And here the fire of God is revealed, consuming the sin so long concealed. 'Tis a place of death and of repentance, that man may rise free from its sentence. Approaching the laver as to the grave, buried in water arising to be saved, a priest passing through the door of grace, dressed for service for his holy place. To the right a table of wood and of gold, on which is the bread that never grows old, eternally fresh as the sustaining word. Life when eaten by those who have heard, turning to the light, the lamp of gold, beautifully wrought and made without mold, God's decorative lampstand called the Menorah, shining forth his glow and his euphoria, revealing walls of wood overlaid with gold. And the beautiful tapestry, it must be told, the cherubim woven, their wings do hover, under which all who enter are protected by its cover. Before the veil we now stand, the way is now open for mortal man. The dividing veil is now rent, thank God for this cause the Lamb was sent. Opening up the way to the throne of God, into his presence the Holy of Holies we now trod. Oh, the majesty and glory of it all, before the ark of his covenant we must fall. For here in this room is the throne of grace, it is here God calls his secret place. A place not hidden from those within, those gods washed and freed from sin. Here among God's holy objects, the truth now revealed in this divine project, the house designed for all in shackle, can only be God's perfect plan, the tabernacle